Hello everyone, I'm Claire from Crafty Claire Tutorials, and this video is going to be a voiceover today. Now, I've had a really bad cough and a cold. I had some free time, so I thought I would make this video, but there's no way I could have got through it, hence the voiceover. I've got some beautiful new beads. These are gold and silver 8mm spacer beads, and they're made of alloy. They've got a lovely design to the front of them. Spacer beads are a decorative way to separate your beads, and if you're using very expensive beads, you can make them go a long way by using the spacer beads. They add a lovely touch to any jewellery making. And these are 10mm ceramic porcelain beads. They've got a 2mm hole and they're lovely to work with, and they've got a floral design. I've got my snips for cutting the elastic, my ruler, and I'm using 0.6mm clear elastic today. And I'm going to measure about 24 inches. Give it a really good stretch. Fold over both lengths and then attach to a bead clip of some kind. It's a bit big, but it will do. And I'm using a 7-inch beaded needle that has a hook at the end. I love these needles. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I have lots of tutorials ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. And bead away. Just a reminder, lots of the supplies that I use in my video are available on my website Low Cost Craft Supplies, where you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. I currently have a 10% offer on. I have used 12 ceramic beads and 12 of the spacer beads, and it measures 7 inches. So we have a loop on one end and 2 strands on the other end. And we're going to thread one strand through the loop, ready for tying. Just move the ruler out the way. Just make sure all the beads are pushed down And we're then going to do a surgeon's knot, but we're going to actually do it twice. So here we are going over twice and pull. Then we go over twice the other way. So start with the other strand, go over twice and then pull. This is what it looks like. Then what I'm going to do is take one strand and put it around because I want to pick up both those strands. Just put it round and then do the same again. Over twice and then pull, and then we go over twice again the other way and then pull. Make sure you don't use those nails because that will affect the elastic later on. And there's our knot, very strong. Those beads are going nowhere. And then just snip the end off. And that's a 7-inch porcelain beaded bracelet with gold spacer beads. And I'm now going to do exactly the same and make a silver one just in case you didn't see it first time around. So I'm going to measure 24 inches of elastic, cut, and then give it a good stretch. Attach the gigantic bead clip, or stationary clip, as in my case. Attach the beading needle, and then start threading the beads. So just like before, we take one strand and pass it through the loop, making sure that there are no gaps. Move the ruler. And just like before, we're going to go and do another surgeon's knot. So we go over twice and then pull. Then we go over twice the other way and pull. And just like before, we want to pick up that other strand, just to bring it all together. So we just take one strand over, which will pick that up, and then do another surgeon's knot, so around twice, pull, and around the strand twice the other way, and then pull, give it a tug, and then snip. And there we have our two bracelets. Aren't they gorgeous? Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for all your support on my channel. It really means the world to me. Take care and happy crafting.